All right, we can go ahead and get started very soon. Hello, folks, and welcome to this closing ceremony. Let me go ahead. Hi, everyone. Welcome. My name is Elizabeth, and I'm a coach with Major League Hacking. This is the closing ceremony of Who Wants to Be a Hackionaire? Super duper exciting. Apologies for the lighting. It's a little bit interesting today. I am coming to y'all from the West Coast, from Pacific Standard Time, which means it is almost 8 in the morning for me here. So super duper bright and early, but it's super exciting for me. I'm a morning person. I don't mind it. And we will be getting started with our very first hacker to answer the call. Basically, I sent out an invite link to a whole bunch of people to see if they'd be interested in participating in our little demo, little interview about our project. And it looks like the first person to answer to join the link is Shivlal. Shivlal, are you there with us? Can you hear me? I'm gonna go ahead and add you. Sorry, folks, my cat is going a little bit crazy in my lap right now, which is that intense shaking you see. Control yourself. Shavla, I'm gonna go ahead and add you to the stream so you can say hi to folks if my cat lets me use my hand.
Okay,
There
no
we go.
problem.
Hi, can you hear us? Or hello, you can hear me? How you doing? What I'm going to do is go ahead and pull up your demo project, your video demo, and we'll watch the video demo together. And then I have a few questions about your project. But first, what's the name of your project, sir? Hello,
Hello.
Shalal. Yeah, hey,
Yes, yes,
what's
sir.
the name of your project? No worries.
Uh, my project's name is Let's Do It,
Let's
and
do it.
it's
Uh-huh.
basically a blog, basically a multifunctional blog. Also, it can help users to interact with it. But most of the backend work, I have completed backend work, but some stuffs are still remaining.
All right, gotcha. So we're gonna go ahead and play this video then, if you give me 2 seconds to pull it up.
Okay.
Thank you. All right, give me 2 seconds, folks. I'm gonna go ahead and play some music while I get this set up, but we will be watching Shavlal's video very shortly. 1 second. Sorry, Shavlal, I'm having issues accessing your video. Do you mind talking us through what you worked on instead?
No problem. It's okay. Basically, my project is about spreading awareness about the pandemic and COVID-19. And it's like a multifunctional blog that you can also use for other purpose, not just for spreading awareness.
Mm-hmm.
And I I had a little task. I added a little task for users to engaging. For like task can be anything like submitting their pictures in quarantine, for interacting with other users. But this that part is still not completed because it was just 2 days and I was alone with this project.
Got you. And could you tell me what would you say was the best and worst part of working on this project?
Best part was the UI design part because designing the UI is imaging creating your own world in a web or a website. And the worst part is, as I mentioned, just that it is uncompleted because I wanted to make it interacted with other users. That's why I have no such much knowledge about that part. That's why that's the worst part.
Awesome, for sure. And out of curiosity, did you attend any mini events or workshops this weekend?
Yes, I attended IBM's APIs event.
Mm.
Uh, that was also so much interesting and also very knowledgeful event. I learned how to create APIs from with the help of IBM Z, and I created my first API with IBM Z and uploaded into mainframe. That was
Yeah,
really interesting. I
yeah,
couldn't
that's super
attend
cool.
it.
Hmm.
Sorry to interrupt you.
Go ahead.
I couldn't attend it other could attend other events or workshops because of I was on leave with I was on leave for some other works. That's why.
Mm. All right. Well, thank you so much for taking the time to chat with me. This is just a way for us to kind of get to know other hackers. So thanks so much, and I'm gonna go ahead and let you go now. Actually, before you leave, do you have any words of wisdom or advice for any hackers who are watching this stream?
Uh, yeah, for other hackers, I just want to say that do the thing that you would like to build. Don't put so much efforts in that you don't know. Just do that you want to. You are capable, and you can do it. I also want to advise other hackers that you can do it. There is no nothing impossible in the world.
Definitely. Awesome. Thank you so much for that. I'm going to go ahead and let you go now and actually introduce Ayush right now. Hey, Ayush, sorry to put you on the spot like that. Are you with us? Can you hear me? Hello, Ayush? All right. Well, while Ayush gets his audio set up, I can tell you a little bit about his project. Hopefully, if I can pull it up. Yep. All right. So Ayush, whenever you're ready. But until then, Ayush made a project called Diagnose It, um, which takes in certain parameters related to the heart and feeds it into a trained ML model and gives back the prediction whether a person is fit or not and whether or not he needs to consult a doctor. And it looks like going off of Ayush's dev post, he was inspired for this project when he had a neighbor who seemed to be suffering from chest pain, but they weren't sure just what to do about it. And Ayush, I'm actually going to go ahead and play your demo video because I got yours working. So let me go ahead and do that for y'all right now. Actually, folks, there are a little bit of streaming hiccups that are happening right now. So I'm gonna pause for a couple minutes to get that all sorted out, and I'll leave y'all with some awesome lo-fi, royalty-free music to listen to. We will get started and we'll watch Ayusha's video in just a second. I just need to um, do a little bit of something on the back end, but I'll be with y'all in just a second. All right. Apologies about that, folks. Ooh, echo. One second. Are you guys hearing that? Are y'all hearing that echo? All right. All right, folks, I am so sorry about that delay. You should be able to hear me fine now. I'm going to go ahead and get started sharing that demo video. All right, so this is Ayush's project.
Hey there, how's it going, everybody? I'm gonna show you a small demo of my website. It basically takes in all your details and predicts if you have a heart disease or not. Let's hope I don't have it. Oh, I'm gonna enter some random values because I do not know my report. Your report can be accessed at your nearest clinic. It's not much, but it's gonna predict what exactly your disease may be caused of. So it takes in a lot of questions about your heart, like blood pressure, cholesterol, and everything, which is pretty, I think, normal for anybody. And then with it predicts whether someone has a heart disease or not. Maximum heart rate is not like the normal heart beat rate. It's the maximum your heart can go up to. So let's go with this. Even all this documentation could be found online. What is all of this about? So enter all your details and let's hope I don't have this, you know, disease, hopefully. Oh no, it says consult a doctor about your health, and it says no checking, no, my blood sugar is normal, my thyroid is normal, and it could not really predict what my problem is, and that's why it asked me to consult my doctor. You can check out all of this at the website that we provide in the description, and you can check your report multiple times. Thank you. Hope you all enjoyed the website and the demo.
All right, so that was that Diagnose It project. Ayush, it looks like you just muted yourself. Would you like to comment on anything?
Yeah, hello. Can you hear me now?
Yes, definitely. Was
Yeah,
that the
thanks.
correct
So,
project?
yeah, that was our project. Actually, it was a team project made by me, my friend Ishika, and my another friend Nishil. So Nishil and Ishika handled the ML part of the project. They trained the model, and they sent me a pickle file. And after that, my work was to design the web page, the front end of the web page, and create an API which pass the values entered by the user to the ML model and take the output of the ML model and present it back. We used Flask for the backend and the normal HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for the front end part. Uh,
Very
that's all.
cool. What would you say were some challenges that you had doing this project and some things that came really easy for your team?
Yeah, the main challenge was completing the project in such a short duration of time. We just had 2 days of time, and the project was pretty big. Especially training the model in just 2 days, it's really hectic work for both of my friends. They like the front end part was ready initially. That was pretty fast. I mean, designing a web page takes lesser time than training a model. So the major burden was on my those two friends.
And definitely, thank you for that. I guess I'll ask you the same question that I asked previously. If you could leave the hackers at Who Wants to Be a Hackionaire with any message, advice, tips, what would you tell the hackers at this closing ceremony?
Yeah, whenever you make a project, there always comes a time when you think, oh shit, another error. I should just probably quit. But maybe that error might be the last error which comes in the process. So never quit and just keep hacking. That was
Definitely. Yeah, super duper inspirational. Thank you for that, Ayush. I'm gonna go ahead and take you off the stream now. Thank you so much for that, and stay tuned for the closing ceremony in just a little bit. The next hacker I have here on my list is Samsubra. Samsubra.
Hello.
Hey, are you with us? Hey, how's it going?
Yes, I'm with here.
Yeah,
So can I please
awesome.
show my
Hi.
project?
Yeah, what's the name of your project, first of all?
My project is a video conferencing app. This in this COVID situation, the video conferences app has gained a lot of popularity. So we tried to make a type of Google Meet and Zoom uh, free app, which is free of cost, and there is no such limits like 40 minutes or so in the video times frames.
Cool. I think I just got you up video conference app. So I'm going to go ahead and would you like us to show your demo video?
Yes, sure.
Awesome. I'll go ahead and do that. So upcoming is video conference app by Samsubra and team. So this one right here. It looks like you don't have any audio with your video.
Hello,
Oh,
sound working? Video gone? Sound off. 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 Screen sharing successful. Bye.
all right. So that was the video. I'll go ahead and stop sharing. Awesome.
Thank you for
So
sharing.
Samsudra, that was, it looks like we saw all about the functionality. Do you want us talk us through a little bit of what was going on there?
Yes, sure. We used WebRTC technology and PeerJS and ExpressJS on the backend server, and on front end we used HTML, CSS, and no HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and Socket.io to establish the connections. The front end was done by my friend you saw in the video, Kinjal, and I did the backend part, the connection, establishing the connections and all, and we hosted it on Heroku app. So that's it.
Very cool. Super interesting. So do you mind talking to us about maybe what was your experience going into this hackathon and what you learned throughout the weekend?
Yes, sure. One of the main challenges was to establish multiple connections in this video conferencing app. Like there was one connection was made successfully, but once when the multiple connections came, it froze. The app froze. So we tried to eliminate that error, and we gained knowledge during that elimination. So just one more thing I would like to share is that don't lose hope when you face some trouble or for bugs in your app. Just don't lose hope. keep trying, and you will definitely succeed if you keep trying hard. And there's always Stack Overflow, every developer knows. So keep hacking.
Awesome. Thank you so much for that. And it looks like that was your message to the hackers as well, is to never lose hope.
Yeah.
That's super duper important. Thank you for sharing that. Awesome. Is there anything else you'd like to leave the hackers with, or else I'll go ahead and join or add our next person?
No, that's it from my side.
Awesome. Thank you so much for sharing, Sambrucha, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. And stick around. We'll be announcing the winners in a little bit. All right, next person I am throwing under the bus here, adding to the live stream, is Cheyenne. Hey, Cheyenne, how's it going?
Hi Elizabeth, I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Do you mind telling us a little bit about your project while I get the demo video set up?
Yeah, sure. So our project is called Hackionaire Quiz Mania, and we created this project in order to, because we are all going through this pandemic times, and pretty much all of us are bored staying inside indoors. So we thought that how about creating a website that helps children in the age of 10 to 12 years to gain some knowledge as well as remove the boredom. So we created this project. So, yes, if you want to show the demo video, I can talk about our project after that.
Yep, I have the demo video here. And actually, I noticed when I was grabbing the demo video, do you have any teammates that you'd like to hop on screen with you?
Yeah, actually, I sent the invite to my teammate. I don't know whether she could accept or not. Yeah, she
Uh,
has some internet issues, so
okay, I see.
I
And what's
don't
your
know.
teammate's name?
It's Harshita Raj.
Okay, yeah, I don't think I see her here yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and share the screen, share my screen that has Hackionaire Quiz Mania.
Hello everyone, this is our Hackioneer Quiz Mania web app. And this is our quiz option selector hardware device. Now let's play the game. We can look the instructions over here and how to play over here. Okay, what temperature does water boil at? I know the answer is C. So I press C. Who wrote Julius Caesar? William Shakespeare. What did the crocodile swallow in the Peter Pan? Alarm clock. Which is the only mammal that can't jump? Elephant. Now who lived at 221 B Baker Street, London? It's Sherlock Holmes. What color is the panda? Black and white. Now there are other features like 50-50, which is over here, which will allow us to decrease 2 questions from the given 4 options, and I select this horse racing, and also there is another hint app which decrease 1 wrong answer. So I press this and it will decrease 1 wrong answer. Now I will say in the beginning which is the correct answer. Okay, the quiz is ended. Now I scored 100 out of 100. Now I will go to playroom, and over here we can see different types of games. I will play Pac-Man Cannabis, for example. Let's just click to play, and now we can play games like this. Similar kinds of games are over here on our playroom, and we can do much of stuff here. Thank you.
All right, so that was Hackionaire Quiz Mania. Super cool video. Cheyenne, what do you have? Do you have anything to add? And it looks like
Yes.
I just got Harshita.
Yeah, she's
Was
here.
she? All right, awesome. I just added her to the stream as well. So hello, Harshita. Hi. Um, Go ahead, tell us about your project now that we saw the video.
Yeah, Harshita can explain about the project. Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah, our project is based on a quiz. It's Hackionaire Quiz Mania, where we get different questions. It's a website for children up to 12 or 13 years of age who can just attend the quiz to gain some knowledge and information. And after that, according to their scores, they can play various games. We have 6 games listed on the website. We have Pac-Man Canvas, we have 3D Car Racer. All these are built on JavaScript, and so these are our games, and it's quite interesting for the children to play the quiz, and after that, according to the scores, they enter some of the games, so they'll play there. And we have included a quite interesting hardware also, on which on pressing the buttons it will select the options on the quiz and it will select the answers. We also have a 50-50 lifeline on the quiz, and also we have like they'll remove 2 wrong answers, such that so this is our project.
Very cool. Thank you for sharing. What would you say were some difficulties that you had when you were working on this project?
So the difficulty we faced was that we had planned that we would unlock games based on the score that a user gets in the quiz. So using that score and then on the basis of that score unlocking different games was one of the most challenging part of our project, but it turned out to be pretty well. So we are quite proud of what we did.
Cool. And the last question that I have for y'all is the question I've been asking everyone else. If you had one piece of advice for the people who are watching this stream, one thing that you would tell them now that you have this little spotlight, what would you say?
I would advise them that if you're waiting for a starting point, you will never get that starting point. Just believe in yourself and participate in your first hackathon. And once you participate in your first hackathon, it will be addictive, and you will participate every weekend. So try to get over that fear, and you'll be good to go.
Definitely. Thank you for that. Harshita, do you have any words of wisdom to tell to the hackers?
Yeah, like we have to be determined for starting off with a hackathon, and MLH hackathons are really great to showcase our skills and all that we have. So yeah, we should start off and just not look back and just move forward with our hacks. Yeah, thank you.
Awesome. Yeah, thank you so much to y'all for coming through and chatting with me while we get the judging underway. We are almost done with judging, but there is about an hour, I believe, an hour and a half before we announce the winners. Or let me double check that. Actually, it might be half an hour. But yeah, actually, the winners will be announced in half an hour and 30 minutes. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to go ahead and let y'all go, Harshita and Cheyenne. Thank you so much for participating. And the very last hacker that I'm going to put on the stream today is Shawshank. And Shawshank created a project called Snap and Reuse. Do you want to tell us a little bit about your project before I play the demo video?
Yeah, sure. Hi, Elizabeth. So basically, this is a project, ML project, focused on the environment theme, and like the basic gist is, like nowadays due to consumerism and like rising population, like there's a lot of waste which we just throw away, like cardboard boxes, glass jars, etc., which could be reused easily, but we don't. And then the problem is that recycling is not always a good solution, like it has a large carbon footprint, etc. So yeah, we basically made a ML apps which we trained our own TensorFlow model. First we collected some data, and then on 6 categories trained a model and deployed it using TensorFlow JS. So basically you can click an image, upload an image, and then it gives you recommendations like what kind of yeah, like how you can use those stuff. Like we curated those links from the internet, and then yeah, we just fetch those and display it to the user. Yeah, so that's basically it.
All right, awesome. And I do have your video up, so I'll go ahead and share that now.
Yeah.
Once again, this is Snap and Reuse. Exactly 2 minutes. Nice.
Hello everyone, I'm Shashank. Me and my teammate Ashish have made Snap and Reuse, an ML app to reduce waste by making reusability of waste easy for everyone. So basically, nowadays there are a lot of waste items and stuff due to consumerism, etc., and a rising population. So we basically made the Google Lens for waste reuse, and yeah, like the aim is to make reusing super easy so that to promote circular economy and sustainable living. And it basically works in three steps. First, the application takes an image of a waste item from the user, either via a demo image, where you can upload an image or even snap an image via camera. Then our custom ML model will run inference on that image and predict the waste item. Finally, based on the type of waste item, curated instructables will be fetched for that item. So yeah, like basically, to boost circular economy, etc. Now I'll just show you the app. So yeah, this is the main app. So let's, as you can see, there are a lot of demo images. So if I click on this one, it predicts glass jar with a good accuracy and then shows these instructables on how to reuse them. Same goes for, let's say, glass bottle and paper, etc. As you can see, like nice instructable has it opened up on how to reuse the item. Now I can also upload image. So let's say this is a glass jar. Yep, it predicted a glass jar with 100% accuracy. And I could also, you know, let's say, okay, I'll just pick a different glass bottle. Yeah, it predicts a glass bottle. So we basically trained this model with TensorFlow Keras. And yeah, that's how this works. Thank you.
All right. That was your demo.
Yeah.
Is there anything you'd like to add about maybe the process you went through or anything?
Yeah, like so basically, both me and my teammate, we are basically we have good experience in ML, but not so much in web development. And also one of the problems which we faced was that generally we use PyTorch for our own work, but in this case, like we had to learn TensorFlow from scratch. So that was a good experience. And like even the camera mode to integrate that in JavaScript, that took a lot of time, like to troubleshoot and stuff, like even some silly stuff. Basically we spent 4 hours on just two silly bugs, like yeah, yesterday night, like early in the morning. So yeah, like basically we learned a lot of JavaScript too, because we are not super experienced in JavaScript. And yeah, like there's a lot of future scope for improvement in the model too. Like right now, though we did curate a data set of 500 images and train the model, but we plan to increase it to around 2000, 3000 diverse images to make it even more better. Yeah. You are muted.
Thank you. Sorry about that. I just wanted to ask, is there any piece of advice that you'd like to share with the hackers now that you're here?
Yeah, like from our past experiences, one advice which I'd like to give people would be that uh, don't try to make too many features. Like first focus on a few features or an MVP, and then make a complete product so that judges and everyone else can demo it and see it. Then you can iterate it over the next few, because even like in our one, the camera mode, like earlier also it was not working. So anyways, we went ahead and published a project. At least the upload one was working, then later on we improved upon it. So yeah, try to make a complete project first with a limited number of features, then add on.
Yeah, that's definitely a really good point. Definitely sounds like you're coming from a more experienced point of view. So thank you for sharing that knowledge with maybe some of our hackers that weren't familiar with that. And yeah,
Thank you.
thank you so much for
Thank
showing
you.
us your project. Yeah, thanks for talking, chatting with me. Um,
Yeah.
so next up, I did have a project by Shreya Katarsar. Um, it looks like she's having some ish. Ooh, there she is. Awesome, perfect timing. Hi Shreya, how you doing?
I am great. How are you doing?
I'm good, thank you. Hope you're more or less well rested. I do have your project up here. Shreya created SnakeMate. Do you want to introduce your project real quick before I show the demo video?
Sure. So we tried to improvise the existing version of snakes and ladders, and we tried to put chess in it. So how will it work is it's currently a two-player game, but we will extend it to a multiplayer soon. So the chess piece is randomly assigned to two players at first. Then there are three chess pieces: king, rook, and the knight. Then it proceeds the same way as we know snakes and ladders, but this one has a restricted movements. Then the number of movements for the chess pieces, the three ones which we have added, is the same as that in chess. So basically, when a six is ruled, the player gets another rule and moves. So whoever gets 200 wins. And there is a drop zone with negative scoring and a plus zone with positive scoring. So how we built is basically we use Python major, it's the major, and we wrote the rules and documentation using the HTML, CSS, and JS.
Great. I'll go ahead and play your video then.
Sure.
Hello, this is the Sneak Meet project which my group has put together for the Who Wants to Be a Hackionaire hackathon this weekend. We have designed this web page, which is a bot that tells you how the game works, what are the rules, and how the chess pieces move on the chessboard. When you head over to the bot here, it gives you the options of how do we play the game, what are the rules, and what it basically is. When we click on it, it gives us a response on the moves of a particular piece and how the pieces are moved using the dice rolls. The other responses can also be done to show us the description of the game and everything else about it. Now, moving on to the game itself, when we click play, we have single player or two players. When we go single player, we play against the computer, and two players allows us to play against another opponent. Taking single player, we will see that when we are randomly assigned pieces by the game, we can select to move as player 1. As per the moves that we get, the player is allowed to move forward. As we can see, the rook has moved only 3 pieces, but the king got the ladder and has moved forward by himself. The computer keeps playing on, and we continue to move as per the dice rolls that we get. So as we can see, the pieces are restricted as per the number of moves they would be originally allowed to move on a chessboard. This is how we have put together the game for this themed event hackathon.
All right. Awesome. Thank you for that video. And Shreya, we are a little short on time, so I'm just
Yes.
gonna ask you the same thing I've been asking everyone else. Now that you're up here on stage with me, what is one piece of advice that you'd like to share with hackers? Maybe something that you would have liked to have known earlier on, or just something you want to tell the people while you're here.
Yeah, sure. So basically, this is my first MLH hackathon, and I had a lot of fun. But the first thing I want to tell is if it's your first hackathon, then don't be scared to try new things. Just try to implement it because I have got a lot of errors doing that. But then you have to try doing because if you stop, then it you will not reach your second hackathon. So that's it. All the best, folks.
All right, awesome. Thank you so much, and
Thank you so
stay
much.
tuned. Yeah, no worries. Unfortunately, that is all the time we have for hacker demos, hacker interviews. I'm so sorry, Danuka. Unfortunately, we weren't able to get to you. But stay tuned. In about 20 minutes, half an hour or so, we will be announcing the winners. There we go. I'm sorry. So don't leave. Stay tuned. Hang tight. But I also will be announcing when we do announce the winners in the Discord. So with that, I'll remove myself. All right. Whoa. Hi. Oh my gosh. Hi, Fazia. How are you?
Hello, and I'm Fazia. It's so nice to see you all virtually.
I'm Elizabeth. Nice to meet y'all. We are both Major League hacking coaches. Fazia, we've talked a lot on Slack, but this might be my first time talking to you in person.
Oh my god.
It's weird.
It's like virtually too. Isn't that crazy?
Yeah, that's so funny. I definitely feel like I know you like well at this point, but this is our first time meeting. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
All right, I'm sure you hackers out there are also familiar with life of COVID. You know, gotta make online connections count as well. And it looks like we are starting to get people to log in. I did post the YouTube link as well as the Twitch link on the announcements channel. And in case you are just hopping in totally randomly, this is the closing ceremony for Who Wants to Be a Hackionaire.
Yes.
Super duper excited. All right. Should we get into it?
Yes. And do you want to tag team it? Like I do one slide or one announcement, you do the other one.
Okay. I like that. Let's switch back and forth. I'll do one, then you do one. How's that?
Yes. All right.
Awesome. Okay. Whew. All right. So this is MLH, Major League Hacking. That's us. We introduced ourselves. A huge thank you to all of our hackers, mentors, and judges. Everyone who participated made this event really awesome. Thanks to the mentors for being on top of it and to the judges that helped us out. And as always, thank you to all of you for coming and watching. Speaking of hackers, we had around 200 people check in, which is super duper awesome considering this is technically, you know, a weekend, a holiday weekend. So super nice. And we got 60 projects submitted, over 60 projects submitted, which was super fun to judge and go through. Right, Faz?
Yes, it was. It was very difficult. Oh, wait, you hear that echo? Oh no, is that me? Oh, never mind. I'm good. I like heard it for a second. I was like, wait, oh my God, that's so crazy. Okay. But yeah, it was really difficult to judge so many projects, but we're really happy that you all, you know, trusted us to participate in this and let us give you feedback and stuff. So yeah.
That we're gonna go right into it. Faz, you want to take the first one?
Yes. All right, y'all. So let's start with domain.com. And the best domain that was registered with domain.com was, drumroll please, becomeabillionaire.online. So that was the project that we thought was really great with using domain.com. Congratulations.
Awesome. And next up, we have best use of Google Cloud. You'll be taking home some really fun Google Cloud swag. And that project, that prize goes to, drumroll please. Ooh, that is shaking my laptop a lot. What Now? Huge congratulations to What Now. Yay! Y'all are the proud winners of the Google Cloud category.
Yes. And now we're moving on to DigiKey. DigiKey. So for the DigiKey Award hack, we have two winners for this one. So there's lots of prizes to go around. The first winner for this category is going to be, drumroll, imaginary drumroll, Jump Your Rex. I guess like Jump Your Rex, I get it, but it's just like the vernacular. So yes, congratulations. And the second winner is going to be Smart Farmer. So congratulations to Smart Farmer and Jump Your Rex. Congratulations, you won the hardware hack, and you're going to get some really cool prizes in the mail. So congrats.
Awesome. Next up, we have best use of CockroachDB. CockroachDB is a little bit of a newer prize category, so it's always super exciting to see what y'all come up with for this one. And the winner of the CockroachDB category is the COVID Times. Huge congratulations to y'all.
Yes.
Yay. And y'all are actually getting a really cool 3D CockroachDB branded printing pen.
Yeah.
So have fun with that.
I know. You can literally go crazy with it. All right. So for the fan favorite, my AutoCAD winner that everybody loves, you get to win a GitHub statue. This one was very difficult because art is subjective, blah, blah, blah. But we thought that the one that really wowed all of us was this artwork by at Mahinder, and then a string of numbers after it. So congratulations to the artist of this drawing. You're going to get next steps, and congratulations. You did a great job.
Yeah, this drawing, it's a little small on the screen, but I really encourage you to go on Twitter and check it out because it is detailed. I'm looking at it closely, and they really did a great job. I really think that they really embodied the spirit of being a Hackionaire. They have really cute fan posters on the bottom, cool hashtags there. That's a really cool one.
I
All right.
know. Okay.
That's so cool. All right. Next up, we have the prizes that are specific to this hackathon. That means the themed prizes for Who Wants to Be a Hackionaire. And this is the overall prizes that we will be giving out. And we'll be starting with the Who Wants to Build Their Own Game Hack. And remember, that is keeping on with the theme of being a Hackionaire. The winner of this prize category is MetaHack. Congratulations to MetaHack. Y'all are winning a super cool prize. Yeah, super cool. Congrats.
Yes, congratulations. And then the next category that we also awarded for this hackathon specifically is the best silly hack. So we're looking for something that was either like a game or it was a quiz, or not necessarily a game, but just like something that was funny and interesting and silly. And so the winner of this is Bird Box. Woo! Congratulations, Bird Box. You did a great job. This was unanimously the winner for this category. And so before we go to like the third overall, do you want to look at the GoDaddy category really quickly? I think
that's a really great point. Are there slides for it?
63.
Thank you. Sorry about that, folks. Looks like we skipped it. Oh, yep. I see what I did there. I think it's this one. Oops.
Oh, do we have different slides?
Oh my.
Wait, I don't think so. Yeah, 64.
Okay, 64. Sorry, folks. If anyone has ever seen me do a stream, even over the summer, you already know that technology is not my strong suit.
Wait, unfortunately. Okay, try 60. Try the one before.
I refreshed it.
Okay.
I'm going to stop sharing for a sec. All right. So,
it should be 63.
Oh, yep. Okay. Refreshing it helped 100%. Let's go ahead and present it. So sorry about that, folks. We are totally going to be announcing the best domain name with GoDaddy.
Yeah, GoDaddy Registry. We're going to talk about it.
to share my screen. Chrome tab. There we go. All right, awesome. Okay, so thanks for being on top of it. Can't forget about our APAC friends. Yes. Foz, do you want to do this one?
Yes, of course. So the winner for the best domain name from GoDaddy Registry goes to pickmypack.co. So congratulations to this team. They basically built like an Uber Eats for like shopping, which is so interesting. So congratulations to you all for a great job. Congratulations.
Yeah, huge congrats to the winners of GoDaddy. And now with that, we are able to announce our overall winners.
Yes.
And give me a moment to navigate. Oh, there we go. All right. Here. So, who wants to build their own game? We did this one. MetaHack won that one. Third overall. Awesome. Okay. So the third overall winner, as a quick reminder, the prize for this one, you'll get a Casio calculator watch. Ooh, super exciting. And that goes to, drumroll please, Safety Before Exam. congratulations to your team. You created a really cool hardware hack that basically allowed people to be able to have proctored exams that are still COVID safe. So it did kind of a lot of different functionalities, and it came out. It's a really cool project. Huge congrats to safety before exam.
Yes, congratulations. And now for our second overall. This one was also very interesting, and this one goes to Quizzy Pie. Congratulations, Quizzy Pie. You did a great job with this project. It was very technically advanced, and it was just like super fun, which is the spirit of the hackathon, right? And so, congratulations to the team at Quizzy Pie.
Yeah, definitely. We're all about connecting people, and your app definitely did that. So huge congrats to Quizzy Pie. And now we have the last prize that we'll be announcing this weekend, and this is the first overall. Super duper exciting. Before I announce it, just to remind you what the winners of the first overall will be taking home. They'll be receiving a Google Nest Hub as well as some super cool assorted MLH swag. And the winners of our first overall prize are Hackionaire. Huge congratulations. Yeah, go Hackionaire. Made a really cool project. Our judges really liked it. It was clearly the top choice. And yeah, thank you so much for participating. Thank you to everyone who's here, including our friends on the stream. And huge congrats to all of our winners. Congratulations to everyone who demoed, really. For demoing, you will be getting some pretty cute stickers that I'm excited about. And I think, is there anything else, Paz, that we should mention here?
I guess just some housekeeping things. If you have not signed up for the event, please go and do so. If you did not check in, please go and do so, because you cannot get your iDemoed stickers if you do not check in. So please.
This is literally your last opportunity to sign up for this event.
Exactly. If you are here at this closing ceremony, you haven't, I don't know what to tell you, but just go ahead and go do it and check in so you can get your stickers.
Yes, 100%. Make sure you do that. These links too. This was Who Wants to Be a Hackionaire? But we do want to plug really quickly some hackathons that are coming up in December. Next weekend, we'll be having Shark Hacks. If anyone has had a hackathon or a ceremony with Jacqueline, you know all about sharks and Blahaj and the great love for sharks at the MLH family. After that, we have Whodunit Hacks for you to get your Sherlock Holmes on. That's going to happen the weekend after. After that, we got the Winter Hack Olympics. I think I'm actually coaching this one. So super cool. And this is going to happen.
What do you know about winter? You live all the way in California. I bet you don't even see what snow is. What do you know about winter?
Winter does not exist in California. I can wear shorts year round and it's great. But I'll be coaching at the Winter Hack Olympics. Snow fascinates me. It's something that I do not see very often. I have to go somewhere, go to a park or something, hours away, and then there's this beautiful mountain covered in white, and it's shiny and poo. Snow is very outside of my...
in our backyard. Can you believe that?
That's crazy. I literally drive for hours just to see snow. But maybe I'll see some at the Winter Hack Olympics.
Exactly. That's the spirit. So thank you all so much. All the hackers, all the mentors, all the judges, and all the coaches who worked this event. So Jal, if you are on here, shout out to you. Jack, shout out to you. Honestly, Elizabeth, shout out to you too. It's been a really great weekend.
Yeah, it's been an awesome weekend. I had so much fun. I hope y'all did too. It was really great seeing what y'all did and working with you, Fa, is always awesome. And with that, that concludes this event. Hopefully we'll see you at future weekends.
Yes.
And happy hacking.
Bye.